My name is Colin Brady. I'm a student in the Aviation Maintenance program here at CNCC, and I'm from Rangeley. I was born and raised here and been here my whole life. I chose to come to CNCC partially because of the cost of tuition and being able to stay home a little bit longer. It's an amazing little town. It's fun. You can do anything you want here. What the instructors and what the program helps us with here at CNCC, as far as going through all the rules and the regulations and making sure that you are aware of what you're doing before you do it, is going to help out great in the field. It's a field where you have to know what you're doing before you do it, and a lot of the times until you can prove to somebody else that you're able to do the work, they won't let you do it by yourself. So CNCC's prepared us very well for being comfortable even in uncomfortable situations. My favorite thing in my experience at CNCC has been the ability to work in small class sizes and being able to get one-on-one with some amazing instructors. The instructors here have lots of experience under their belts, and it's been awesome to be able to work one-on-one with them and get more attention and really be able to learn from them and take their advice and be able to use it. I was able to get a job offer from SkyWest Airlines in Salt Lake, so I am looking forward to that, and we'll be moving out there here in a few weeks right after graduation. What I'm looking forward to the most with this career is being able to work on some bigger planes. You know, here in Rangeley we have smaller airplanes, smaller Cessnas, but I'm excited to get to work around smaller jets, get to work around turbine engines, and just work up a little bit and see some bigger airplanes, different types of planes. I'm very happy with my experience at CNCC, and I would recommend it to anybody that wants to be able to get a first look into any career choice that we offer or any degree program. CNCC does a lot to help students get into a job and into a career right before graduation or right after graduation. So I appreciate all that they've done for me to help in getting a job so quickly.